Hi children, today we are going to do a new exercise. Something very interesting for you. We are going to do personal pronoun. What is a personal pronoun? A personal pronoun is used in place of a particular person or thing. Person, when you say, it can be any person, our helpers, daddy, mummy, you, whatever. Now, when you say thing, it can be used for your pets. Alright? So, we are going to look at personal pronoun today. Look carefully and enjoy the exercise. Now, look at the board here. Whole lot of things are put. They are all personal pronoun. Look. I, we, he, them, you, their, it's, her, his, my, our, and so on. Read again. A personal pronoun is used in place of a person, a particular person or thing. So we'll take one by one. You look, and the personal pronoun is differently colored, so easy for you to understand. Look, let's look at our first picture. Okay, look at this lovely garden here. Now, Peter's here, busy. Peter, this is Peter. Who is this? Peter. Peter is a gardener. Yes, Peter is a gardener. He's sowing seeds. He dug up the garden and he's planting a lovely, beautiful, flowering plant. So, here we have put he. Instead of putting Peter is a gardener, we have used, Peter is the particular person, we have used the pronoun he, personal pronoun. We are talking about Peter. So, he is a special personal pronoun. So, it's colored white for you to understand. He is a gardener. Who is a gardener? Peter. This is Peter. Peter is a gardener. Yes? And we have used in the place of Peter, he. This is Peter. He is a gardener. You like to do gardening? Good. Let's look at other personal pronouns too. Let's look at our next picture. Look what we have here. Who is this? Tina. And whose cycle is this? It's Tina's cycle. Tina. Let's read. Tina is riding her cycle. Who is this? This is Tina. It's Tina's cycle. It's. She, Tina, is riding her bicycle. Her. Whose bicycle is this? Tina's. Her. You can also read like this. Tina is riding Tina's bicycle. So instead of using Tina, we have used, instead of Tina, her. Personal pronoun. Instead of using Tina, we used her. Tina is riding her bicycle. Did you understand? Good. Let's look at another picture. See what we have here. You'll have to dance like this. A ballet dancer. Yes. This is Susan. Yes. Susan loves to learn ballet. This is Susan. She is a ballet dancer. Now, instead of saying this is Susan, Susan is a ballet dancer. We have used, instead of Susan, we use personal pronoun she. This is Susan. She is a ballet dancer. She. Yes? So, wherever you have personal pronoun, we have used white color for you to understand. Are you enjoying this exercise, children? Look, this is Susan. She is a ballet dancer. Good. Let's look at another picture. See what we have here. Here's a lovely family. Yes, dad and mom and children all. They're doing something. They are eating. They're enjoying probably their dinner. Who is we? Dad and mom, sister, brother, all together we call we. We. Instead of saying John, Mr. and Mrs. John, then here Tim and Tom, we say we, the full family, we. So we is a personal pronoun. We use that instead of saying their name. We are enjoying whose dinner? Our dinner. Whose dinner is this? This is theirs. So they are telling we are enjoying our dinner. So each one got their own dinner. We are enjoying our dinner. We, personal pronoun. Are, also personal pronoun. You enjoyed this exercise? Shall we look at another picture? Good. Here we are. Here, somebody is on the bike. This is James. James is riding very fast. This is James. Instead of saying James is riding, we say this is James. He. We use he instead of James, personal pronoun. Okay? This is James. He is riding very fast. He. Okay? We have used he instead of James. You learnt? Yes. Are you enjoying? Let's go on to another picture. Look. Now here is a team playing football. There are two teams, one in red and one in white. Two teams are playing. So we call them they. Okay? They. Who are they? Team red and team white. They are playing football. What are they playing? They are playing football. Personal pronoun they. Instead of saying red team and white team, we say they. Put the teams together. White team and red team. They are playing football. Good. Let's look at another picture. Here is Sam. What is his name? This is Sam. Sam is an architect. Who is an architect? A builder. This is Sam. Sam is an architect. So instead of saying Sam, we use he instead of Sam. So he, personal pronoun. This is Sam. He is an architect. Who is he? He is an architect. Are you enjoying? Let's go on to our next picture. I hope you are enjoying the personal pronouns. As you read the sentence, look, let's take a new picture. Look at this beautiful picture. Who is this? This is Mary. Mary is writing her note. Okay, what does Mary say? Instead of Mary, she says I, personal pronoun. And who is writing her note? She is writing it herself. So, I, Mary says, I am writing my notes. I and my, both are personal pronouns. Okay? Mary is writing Mary's notes. Okay? Mary is writing Mary's notes. So, the sentence is, I am writing my notes. What you studied in the class, she's writing it down again. I am writing my notes. So we have I and my instead of Susan. Good. Let's go on to our next picture. We are doing personal pronouns. I hope you're enjoying the exercise. Look, cute little thing. Shh, don't disturb. The little pussy is sleeping. Yes? This is Kitty. Yes, and Tom says, this is Kitty. It is our pet. You keep pet in your house to enjoy, so that they keep the rats away, they keep the place clean. Yes. So, Kitty is a cat. This is Kitty. Instead of saying cat, we say Kitty, we say it. It is whose pet? Our pet cat. It is used for the cat. Our is used for the children who are bringing up the cat. Tom and Peter. So Tom and Peter says, Kitty is our pet. So it is the pronoun used, personal pronoun used for cat. Our for the boys. Read. It is our pet cat. It for the cat, R for the boys. Okay? It is a pet cat. Are you enjoying the exercise? Let's look at another picture. Look what we have here. We have two little children here. Yes? We have here Tim and Susan. Tim and Susan are here and they are very happy together. Yes? So, it's lovely to see them together. What is lovely? They are not fighting. They are being friends. So, it's is used for the children. It's lovely to see them. Who are them? These two, the boy and the girl. Tim and Susan. It's lovely to see them together. So, the personal pronoun used for them is it's and them. Both are used for them. Good. Let's go on to our next picture. Look what you have here. Here, you have someone in the car. Doctor is on his way to the hospital. Is driving all the way to the hospital. Okay? Now, who is this? This is Mr. John. Mr. John. John is a doctor. This is Mr. John. John is a doctor. So instead of using John, again we use, instead of John, he. We use, instead of saying this is John, John is a doctor, we use he instead of John. He is a doctor. He is used instead of John. He is a personal pronoun. Good. Are you enjoying, children? Let's go on to our next picture. Look. Look at this lovely picture. We have here Tim and Tom. Tim and Tom love their pet dog. Instead of saying Tim and Tom love their pet dog, instead of saying Tim and Tom love Tim and Tom's pet cat, instead of that Tim and Tom, we say their. Whose pet cat is that? Theirs. Tim's and Tom's pet cat. Yes? Their. Whose pet dog is that? The pet dog belongs to Tim and Tom. Their pet. Can you take it? No. It is their pet dog. There is the personal pronoun used for Tim and Tom. Let's go on to our next picture. Look what you have here. I hope you have understood, you are enjoying the personal pronoun. Here we are. You have the brother and the sister fighting, maybe for a chocolate, who knows? So the brother and sister, what are they doing? They are fighting. If you give them names, what name shall we give them? Geraldine and Peter. Geraldine and Peter are fighting. They are brother and sister. They are fighting. So they is used for Geraldine and Peter. They. Personal pronoun they. It's in white. They are fighting. Good. Let's look at another picture. Look at this. There's a huge ship out in the ocean. This is a ship, isn't it? It is a ship. It is a ship. We use it. You can use it personal pronoun for thing. This is the ship. We can say it. It is a ship. What is it? It is a ship. Where did the ship go? Out in the ocean, in the huge seas. So look at it is in white. It is used for the ship. Good.